I received your letter in which you invite my comments on the question of cremation. The position of our Jewish religion on this question is well known. It is resolutely and unequivocally opposed to cremation, which it abhors, so much so that it is considered to have a nuance of paganism. The negative Jewish view on cremation cannot be overemphasized. Indeed, notwithstanding the sanctity with which Jews observe a yahrzeit, yizkor, kaddish, etc., in memory of the departed, and for the gratification of their souls, Jewish law prohibits this observance in the case of a person who has chosen to be cremated, and indeed, there were times that even the ashes were not permitted to be interred in a Jewish cemetery. Needless to say, the above refers only to those who voluntarily elected to be cremated after death. It certainly does not apply to those who have died al Kiddush Hashem, our sacred martyrs, whose holiness is unsurpassed. The bibliography on this subject is quite extensive, but the consensus is that any Jew who has any regard for the Torah and mitzvahs must absolutely reject cremation. With regards to someone who wishes to be cremated after death, we can say clearly and with certainty that the body has vitality and some form of life even after the soul departs. And as long as the body has not yet completely decomposed, there remains a part of the soul still connected to it. Whoever instructs or consents to being cremated is agreeing to have a portion of his soul burnt. This is like burning someone alive, albeit not all, only part of him. This is an unconscionable form of cruelty. This is true, even in a case where one is burning his own soul, heaven forbid, and justifies himself saying that he did not know what he was doing. In response to the argument that there are many who have done this, there were also thousands of Nazis, among them scientists, doctors, businessmen, and family men, who burnt people who were literally alive.